my god, itu fotonya. Dia lihat. Itu bukan Emma. Selamat datang di Nyiram Serem Reaction bersama gue Gina Rose, atau biasa dipanggil Gero. Halo guys, sudah lama gue tidak buat video. Iya, gue tahu, mohon maaf ya, karena gue kemarin lagi libur sembari gue lebarannya nggak di Indonesia. Tapi alhamdulillah nggak usah disebut ya. Tapi mumpung gue belum minal aidin nih sama kalian ya, lebaran udah hampir sebulan lalu, gue belum minal aidin, jadi gue minal aidinnya sekarang aja. Mohon maaf ya kalau misalnya gue punya banyak kesalahan-kesalahan, salah satunya jarang upload mungkin, dan yang lainnya perbuatan dan perkataan gue mungkin aja bisa menyinggung kalian di video-video gue. Gue minta maaf ya guys, dengan tulus. Semoga dimaafin nih ya, karena hari ini gue bakal menuruti permintaan kalian untuk nonton Scary Chester lagi. Tenang, hari ini nggak nonton satu video doang, tapi kita nonton 3 video. Dan ini adalah beberapa video yang beneran serem gitu. Biasanya kalau di Scary Chester itu kan dia berhubungan dengan ibu gitu ya. Sosok ibu itu dibikin serem terus itu. Tapi kali ini video pertama adalah sosok ayah yang dibikin serem. Sepertinya di video-video selanjutnya ini juga sosok laki-laki gitu yang seremnya ini. Kagak lagi ini seorang ibu-ibu. Jadi bisa aja ini teror bagi seorang laki-laki. Oh ya, sebelum kita tonton videonya, gue pengen video ini bisa sampai 10.000 likes-nya. Bisa nggak tuh ya? Harus bisa. Jadi kalian langsung aja like video ini ya guys. Kalau udah di like, perhatiin Nyiram dulu dan tonton videonya sampai akhir. Yuk mari, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah ya Robbi. Agak deg-degan. Oke, bismillah.
I just hope she's safe by the time we get there.
Oh wait, belum. Captionnya kak. Dan bilang, kak captionnya jangan lupa. Kak captionnya jangan lupa. Ya. Saya tidak lupa sama caption. Yuk, bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I just hope she's safe by the time we get there.
I don't know, he just doesn't seem like my dad anymore. There's something wrong with his skin when I felt it.
Kulit lagi. Oh my god. Bapak. Oh, tampaknya bakal ada pengkejaran ini ya. Si bapaknya tampaknya jadi gila gitu ya. Iya deh, lanjut aja ya nonton. Oke, Parker, kita kan udah follow-followan Parker. Kamunya yang nggak follow back aku. Oke, jadi di video pertama ini si Chester dan Parker ini bakal nolongin perempuan yang namanya Emily. Jadi Emily ini itu dia agak buta gitu ya guys, nggak bisa ngelihat dengan jelas, dan ada something wrong dengan bapaknya, yaitu si bapaknya ini mulai aneh gitu ya guys. Jadi bapaknya ini tuh mulai kayak cuman ngasih Emily makanan itu cuman susu, tapi susunya tuh rasanya aneh gitu ya. Bau badan ayahnya itu tuh baunya tuh kayak selokan gitu loh guys, kayak got gitu baunya. Dan si Emily ini mulai curiga nih, karena kemana mamanya itu kok kagak kelihatan. Bapaknya bilang kalau mamanya ini pergi liburan gitu. Tapi anehnya masa telepon mamanya ditinggal, ya kan? Jadi banyak banget keanehan dari si bapaknya ini. Makanya dia manggil si Scary Chester. Mari kita tonton, yuk. Yuk, let's go. Luxury Production.
So what do you think about this, Parker?
Bro, if her dad is a danger to her, I'm concerned that
Ini
she's
Parker masih muda ya, jadi cakep.
Mother disappeared.
I think it's our responsibility to make sure that she's okay.
I just hope she's safe by the time we get there.
Seperti biasa, Parker itu jiwa kemanusiaannya dia tuh sangat tinggi gitu. Jadi dia tuh pengen nolongin semua orang gitu loh. Tuh, kali ini Chester setuju gitu. Jadi kayak oke, kita harus tolongin dia. Kasian gitu dia si Emily. Oke, jam 11:30 malam lu nyampe rumah Emily. Apa lu nggak dimarahin sama bapaknya? Oke, rumahnya kayak kelihatannya terang ya, tidak seperti biasanya.
Hey, Emily.
Hi there.
Hi. So nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Oke.
Come in, we have to be quiet.
Emily-nya juga kelihatannya normal. Dia terlihat seperti perempuan yang normal, tidak seperti biasanya.
For letting us sit down with you. Can you explain to us further what's been going on?
I heard him
Oke. Oh,
Him? You mean your dad?
I don't know, he just doesn't seem like my dad anymore.
bapaknya ngobrol sama
And there's something
seseorang.
wrong with his skin when I felt it.
What?
Is there anything that you think could have caused this change?
He went out to the woods hunting a few weeks ago, and when he came back, he was different. I know this sounds bad, and he's my dad, and I love him so much, but he's really scaring me, and I want to run away.
Hey, it's alright.
Wait. Jadi ceritanya gini ya. Ternyata beberapa minggu lalu itu bapaknya ini pergi ke hutan untuk hunting alias nyari-nyari makanan gitu guys. Balik-balik udah beda gitu dia. Dia bahkan manggil nama Emily ini beda katanya. Terus there is something wrong about the skin. Kenapa lagi skinnya? Apa nanti tangannya jatuh lagi gitu kayak video sebelumnya? Nggak tahu kita. Mari kita tonton.
Don't think like that.
Since my mom's gone, I feel really alone.
You don't have to be scared while we're here.
Iya, mamanya tuh kemana ya?
Oh, one more thing I didn't tell you. When he came home, he was...
Ma! Oh! That's your dad? Maaf. Aku agak salfok gitu karena si Parker ganteng banget gitu. Bapak, kenapa bajunya kotor? Itu susu. Emily, kalau lu bisa lihat, itu susunya warnanya hitam.
Why would you drink that? This is great.
Well, I've been drinking it for a while.
You've been drinking this for a while.
Susu itu harusnya warnanya putih.
A lot of milk lately. You think there's something in it?
Alright, Emily, we're gonna need to place cameras all around you.
Oh my god, Emily.
This room just to find out.
Dari sejak ini kamu minum susu yang warnanya apa abu-abu itu yang nggak tahu asalnya dari mana. Oke, mereka naruh kamera.
Alright, let's just set up some of these cameras now.
Oke.
That's good.
Oke. Di kamera Emily ta.
Hi, Emily, do you mind if we put a camera in your room for tonight?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
BTW guys, Emily tuh dia visually impaired alias
So I think we're all good.
kagak bisa lihat gitu. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's not think about this too much tonight.
Bapakmu kenapa, Emily?
We're not gonna let anything happen to you.
Oh. Bapakmu ngapain?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah.
Good night. Iya, Parker kamu ganteng Ya Allah, Parker. Izin dulu dong, Parker.
Dude, what is this? Put it up there.
Oh my god.
Something doesn't feel right.
Katanya bau, guys. Terus ada cairan hitam-hitam gitu. Apa itu? Always dengan cairan hitam, guys. Oke, mereka menunggu.
Alright, so it's about 2 in the morning right now.
Oke.
Two cameras that we put in this house. We got one in her bedroom.
Mereka menunggu di
bedroom,
Oh,
the hallway.
menunggu
Just
di-
gotta wait it out to see what happens.
Bro, look what he's doing right now. He's just facing
mobil.
I mean, he's just sitting.
Oh iya,
Just
coy.
calm down and wait till he starts actually doing something.
Ini jam 2 malam dan bapakmu seperti itu. Wah, there is something wrong. Oke, Emily sedang tidur. Tidak terjadi apa-apa di hallway. Di lorong nggak ada apa-apa. Tapi bapaknya itu kenapa diem doang? Bapak itu ada kasur dan ini jam 2 malam harusnya kamu tidur. Chester ketiduran. Lucu. Oke. Mereka berdua malah ketiduran. Bapak, kamu ngapain? Ketawa-tawa. Oh my god. Bapak. Kepalamu nggak bisa aturan segitu banyak muternya. Kamu bukan manusia. Bangun, guys. Bapaknya udah hilang itu. Keluar dia. Ma. Soundnya. Hai.
Yo, dude, look at this. Wake up. Look at this.
Oh.
What's he doing in there?
Emily, kamu diliatin sama bapakmu sendiri. Hah?
Who's he letting in there, dude?
Who is that?
Let's go inside. Come on, gotta go.
Itu siapa? Creepy banget posisinya, coy. What? Itu siapa? Itu Chester bukan sih? Kok creepy? Oh my god. Hati-hati dong.
Hey, what are you doing?
Wait, what's going on here?
What are you doing? What's going on, man?
Emily nggak bisa lihat kalau ada bapaknya ya?
Why are you doing this to your daughter?
Kenapa bahasanya kayak gitu sih?
An arm. Who was that?
What's wrong with you? Why don't you talk? Say something.
I really don't understand.
What's wrong with this guy?
Dude, this is creeping me out.
Yo, you know, I'm sick of this, dude. I'm getting the police involved.
What are you?
Wow,
Look out!
dikejar-kejar. Diapain?
Ow! Ah, shoot me the stick!
Eh,
It's skin! Where's he going? Alright, let's get up. Let's get up.
Emily, kamu kayak orang,
Let's go.
kayak orang aneh.
Step, watch step. Watch step.
You wait. Are these just clothes?
Hah? Iu, basah.
Let's go. Let's go. Alright, just stay calm. Just stay calm. It's alright. We're gonna find someplace else to stay.
You look out! Look out! What is that over there?
No. What is that?
Oh my god, itu bapaknya.
Alright, listen. It's alright, Emmett. It's alright. We're gonna find someplace for you to stay, okay?
Okay.
Even if you stay with us.
Emily, kamu bisa lihat gak itu bukan bapakmu itu loh. Oke. Akhirnya Emily dibawa ke rumahnya mereka semua. Dan mereka nggak tahu itu apa yang terjadi sama bapaknya. Bentar, Ajan. Kalau yang dari gue tonton, kayaknya bapaknya itu udah metong. Terus itu yang jadi bapaknya itu adalah skinwalker gitu ya. Nah, di ending itu dia berubah loh guys. Sumpah itu serem banget ya. Ini coba kita lihat. Di endingnya kayak gini loh dia berubah.
Alright, just stay calm. Just stay calm. It's alright. We're gonna find someplace else to stay.
You look out!
Nih. Tuh. Oh my god. Udah kurus. Kering. Oh my god. Creepy sih. Creepy banget sih. Ini salah satu ini salah satu Scary Chester yang pendek gitu ya durasinya, tapi creepy. Lumayan. Nyermeter gue udah kayak 40% gitu. Kalian berapa? Coba komen. Mari kita lanjut ke video selanjutnya. Yuk.
Dia sudah lengkap di dalam kesunyian.
Oke, yuk.
What do you want? Please
Oh my god.
The mental
Apa
hospital
itu, coy?
next door.
Taylor, so nice to meet you, Parker.
Sweet you. I think they're coming to my house at night.
Do you see that? That door's opening.
Ah!
He just destroyed our camera.
Oh my god. Suaranya nggak suka banget.
Let's smash 100,000 likes to show how
Nggak
strong
suka.
we are.
Oke, jadi di video kali ini Scary Chester dan Parker ini bakal menolong perempuan yang namanya itu adalah Taylor. Taylor ini baru 18 tahun, tapi dia bisa-bisanya ditinggal sama kedua orang tuanya selama 2 bulan. Di rumah sendirian. Karena bapaknya sama mamanya ini malah liburan ke Costa Rica selama 2 bulan. Mohon maaf, Bapak, kamu punya anak, Bapak. Liburannya lama banget gitu ya. Nah, selama 2 bulan itu, si Taylor ini ngerasa kalau ada seseorang yang tinggal di rumahnya bersama Taylor. Nah, seseorang ini tuh kayak sering ganggu-ganggu Taylor gitu, dan dia sering ngebuat suara-suara yang kayak hewan gitu, guys. Nah, kebetulan banget itu rumah di samping rumahnya Taylor ini itu adalah dulunya itu rumah sakit jiwa yang udah ditinggalin gitu, guys. Ya Allah. Kok bisa gitu ya rumah sakit jiwa ada di perkompekan gitu. Mari kita tonton ini video yang Taylor kirim untuk sebagai bukti. Yuk.
What is this video for proof?
Oh my god. Mukanya putih semua gitu ya? Tapi badannya hitam. Oh.
So today we're gonna drive out to Taylor's house.
Mukanya
Figure
putih
out if
semua
there
tapi
actually is
hitam.
someone-
Gue ngeliat tadi video secuplik tadi tuh mirip kayak ini loh. Tau nggak apa sih siapa sih namanya? Jeff the Killer. Yang mukanya putih semua terus matanya nggak ada kelopaknya terus senyum. Mirip kan? Yuk mari kita tonton.
So what do you think the chances are that someone's in the house with her?
Well, I think like usual, we should give her the benefit of the doubt.
But dude, she didn't send us any proof. All she said was she was hearing noises.
So what are you saying?
Lu
You think
sih.
she's imagining this?
Dia kayak
Do you think someone from the mental asylum's living in her house?
Dude, all I know is we gotta make sure that there's no one in there with her trying to cause her harm.
Alright.
Oke, mereka tuh kayak masih mikir-mikir ini beneran apa enggak ini. Si Tyler kayak begitu, coy. Bisa aja ada orang di dalamnya. Ih, Chester senyum-senyum. Dia cakep, coy, kalau senyum, coy. Chester
Yeah, dude,
tuh.
we're here.
Wait, this is it?
Yeah. Bro, she wasn't
Mana
lying. The
rumahnya?
hospital is literally right next to her.
Okay, just calm down. Let's
Oh
go
my
and talk
God.
to her, okay?
Gelap banget, coy.
Let's go.
Oke,
Alright, bro, let's go knock.
oke.
Okay.
777. Wow, that's scary. Oke, rumahnya kayak di perkomplekan gitu ya.
Hi. Taylor, so nice to meet you, Parker.
Hey,
Hi. Can we come
jangan lihat-lihat Parker ya, punya gue tuh. Taylor cakep lagi. Taylor, kamu cakep, boy. Rumahnya kayak rumah-rumah gaya-gaya zaman dulu gitu loh, guys.
So, can you tell us a little bit more about what's bothering you?
There's someone who I think is stalking me. I think they're coming into my house at night.
What?
So you really think that
Jadi
this guy lives in
orangnya itu
I know what I saw.
So exactly.
dia ngerasa kalau orangnya ini tuh datang cuma malam-malam.
I was like downstairs to get a glass of water and I felt like someone was standing behind me. But when I turned around, nothing was there and my bedroom door was open.
So did you see any?
Bentar, nih ya, itu terjadi ke semua orang, guys. Kayak lu misalnya malam-malam pengen ke dapur gitu ya, atau mau ke kamar mandi, entah mengapa kayak somehow lu kayak ngelihat itu kok kayak ada orang ya di situ, atau kayak kayaknya nih yang di belakang gue nggak ada yang ngikutin nih, pas lu lihat belakang kagak ada orang. Iya, sering itu terjadi. Lu juga pasti pernah kan terjadi seperti itu.
Anyone in your bedroom?
No, but I really feel like there was something in there with me.
Have you had?
Dia nggak lihat tapi dia ngerasa ada something yang ada di situ.
I felt something touching me.
What?
I wasn't sure if I was dreaming or not.
Pas waktu tidur ada yang nyentuh, coy.
Are you sure that a lot of this can't just be from your imagination?
Well, I thought it was crazy until I started getting these pictures.
Hah? Lu dikirimin foto apa?
What?
Oh!
He was in my house.
Oh!
Thank you for showing that to me.
Are you sure it's not just like a joke by
Bentar.
your friend or boyfriend?
Lu punya nomornya kan?
There's someone in my house. I just don't know
Di foto-foto dia, coy.
Tonight we're going to be putting cameras all
Oh
over
my
the
god,
house.
serem sih itu.
If there actually is someone in here. We're going to be watching the cameras live on our phone in the car. I don't want you to worry about anything now. I just want you to go to sleep like normal tonight.
Oke.
To work, okay?
Jangan diliatin gitu. Gue tahu Parker ganteng.
Okay, let's go.
Apalagi dia punya janggut sini. Ganteng deh, coy. Oke, mereka tidak tidur bersama Taylor di dalam rumah ini, tapi mereka
This place is really
bakal
big.
naruh kamera dan mereka nunggu di
Camera downstairs here.
apa sih namanya?
It's downstairs.
Mobil. Which is good. Good.
What the hell? Parker, you need to come look at this.
Itu kayak basement nih. Di basement, coy.
Dude,
Ada kekunci, coy.
Put the camera together.
Yaelah si Parker. Sekali-kali lu dengerin Chester gitu loh kalau dia ngomong.
Really quickly. Hi, Taylor. Can we just put a camera in your room really quickly? Okay, let's go.
Oke.
That's good.
Dan macem-macem lu Parker.
We're just
Gue perhatiin lu.
right now, everything's all right.
Gue tahu Taylor cakep.
Normally, okay? Okay.
Enggak, tapi Taylor kok jadi kagak cakep tadi, itu serem sih. Tadi serem. Chester. Kenapa sih Taylor jadi serem?
Okay, so we just got back to the car. We set up all of the cameras.
Okay.
One downstairs,
Okay.
one in the hallway, one in the spare bedroom, and one in Taylor's room.
dude, I just creepier houses. Do you think we have enough cameras in there?
Oke.
Yeah, I hope so. Let's just relax.
Kamarmu
Okay?
luas. Tapi kenapa di kamarnya si Taylor cuman ada kasur literally satu gitu loh. Lemari juga ada cuma segitu doang. Taylor biasanya kalau cewek itu suka gitu loh dekorasi-dekorasi. Tidak ada apa-apa. Sumpah rumah yang di bawahnya itu serem sih. Kayak rumah-rumah Conjuring gitu gak sih? Oke, Chester, kamu jangan mengantuk, Chester. Bangun ya. Awas kamu tidur lagi, Chester. Oke, ini ada satu kamar. Yang nggak tahu itu kamar siapa. Bosan bener. Ngegosip apa ngegosip gitu. Jangan ngegosip, jangan. Ngomongin apa gitu kayak. Oh!
Wait,
Pintunya kebuka.
do you see that? That door's
Wah.
opening.
Wah, tinggi banget coy. Wah.
Bro, what the hell is that?
I don't know, dude. I think Taylor was right.
What's wrong with that?
Can you
Bro.
please stop yelling? Calm down. Okay, so we know there's a guy in the house. Okay.
Itu bukan
We
manusia,
gotta figure out what
coy.
this guy wants.
Itu gak ada orang setinggi itu. Nah, lo mukanya.
I'm disgusted looking at him. Look, he's
Oh
leaving the
my
room.
God.
Where's he going?
Sumpah mukanya serem.
If he goes anywhere near her,
Bener-bener kayak Jeff the Killer, coy. Oh my god.
Okay.
Di depan banget.
Why is he making that noise? And why is he taller than the doorway?
I don't know.
Yes.
Is Taylor still sleeping?
Chester, kamu always make sense, Chester. Kayaknya gue lebih cocok nih kalau sama Chester nih. Kalau main ini cocok gitu ya. Kalau sama Parker nih dia kayak agak...
Where did this guy go?
Woi. Kemana kamu? Oh,
Dude, look, I found him. He's downstairs.
oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
See our camera?
Dia lihat.
Bro, he just destroyed our camera.
Okay, again, just calm down, dude. Let's just try to find out where he is.
Dirusak kameranya, guys.
No.
Oh my god. Semuanya dirusak.
3 of our 4 cameras aren't working. How is that even possible?
Well, we only saw him
Semua
destroy one,
kameranya
so
dirusak.
maybe there's a problem with the connection or something.
Hold on, let me try to fix it.
Orang jelas-jelas tadi lu diginiin kameranya. Si Parker. Gak ada koneksi. Ini bau-baunya bakal ngagetin nih. Oh my god.
Dude, I can't figure out why these cameras aren't working.
Try closing the app.
Oh, mereka nggak lihat ini, coy. Itu
Wait, I think I know what's wrong. Wait,
kok dibuka. Mereka baru mau lihat, guys. Mereka baru mau lihat. Wah, udah keluar itu. Udah keluar. What the hell? Taylornya diambil.
Yo, dude, do you hear that? I think Taylor's screaming.
Wait, what?
Yo, we gotta go inside. Come on.
Oh my god, mereka nggak lihat, guys. Mereka nggak tahu apa yang terjadi di dalam situ, ya Allah. Kok bisa itu di dalam ada Taylor? Ada Taylor. Gila, lari-lari semuanya. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Apa sih? Ternyata mukanya nggak warna putih. Warna putih nih. Serem banget, coy.
It was right behind us, dude!
All right, listen, don't worry. We're gonna get you someplace safe tonight. You can stay with us, okay?
Ya Allah ya Rabbi. Plot twist again. Jadi akhirnya Taylor diselamatin kan sama Parker tuh kan. Terus si Taylor ini berusaha untuk ngubungin orang tuanya itu yang liburan 2 bulan itu. Tapi nggak bisa. Nggak ngerespon. Berarti there is something wrong tentang orang tuanya. Bisa jadi orang tuanya udah metong. Wah, serem sih. Tapi siapa itu yang ada di dalam ininya? Kayaknya sih orang yang tadi itu, si yang makhluk yang tinggi itu tuh tinggalnya di basement. Terus ada yang dikunci itu nggak sih? Yang si Chester lihat itu. Tapi ngerometer gue belum sampai 100% ini. Kayak masih baru 65% gitu ya. Mari kita tonton video yang selanjutnya. Yuk.
It could have been like the TV making those sounds, right?
Dude, what kind of TV show sounds like that?
Do you think the voices could be in your head? Maybe because you miss your family?
I don't know anymore.
Oh.
Yo, what the hell is that?
Apa? Oke, jadi di video ketiga ini, Scary Chester dan Parker ini ngebantuin perempuan yang umurnya 19 tahun namanya Emma yang tinggal sendirian di rumahnya. Nah, entah mengapa, dia tuh ngerasa kayak, kok ada orang gitu di dalam rumahnya. Dan hal yang lebih creepy dibanding video sebelumnya, itu setiap malam dia tuh ngedenger ada seperti kayak keluarga lainnya, kayak mama atau abangnya, sama bapaknya. Itu seperti ngomong di depan pintunya gitu, manggil-manggil dia. Padahal kagak ada orangnya di rumah gitu. Creepy, coy. Dan si Emma ini ngirim video ini. Yuk kita tonton. Let your mother in.
So tonight we're gonna head out
Enggak, itu kayak suara ibunya.
to his house.
Emanya udah ketakutan banget itu ya kayaknya. Oke, mari kita tonton.
So do you think there's actually someone doing these voices in this girl's house?
I mean, it seems like it. Didn't you see the video she sent us?
It could have been like the TV making those sounds, right?
Dude, what kind of TV show sounds like that?
Betul.
Sketched out by
Nggak
this.
ada TV itu baru. Kedengarannya kayak orang tuanya gitu. Itu emang there's something wrong sih. Tapi apa dan siapanya kita kagak tahu karena yang dikiriminnya cuma suara dan ini minim informasi banget gitu Emma. Kayak jam 10, baru jam 10 guys. Biasanya dia kayak udah nyampenya jam 11:30. Jadi harusnya gini tidak terlalu tegang ya di awal. Oke. Parker, kamu kok pakai anting, Parker?
Emma? Hi, are you Emma?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Parker.
Hai Emma, Emma cantik.
Thank you.
Emma kamu cantik tapi kamu nggak bayar listrik ya?
Okay, so Emma, can you tell us
Gelap
more
banget
about
itu
what you've
rumah.
been hearing at night?
So at night, I hear voices.
What do
Oke.
these voices say to you?
So usually it's just this one voice, and it says, "Emma, it's Mom. Come out of your room."
So you hear your mom's voice?
Oh my god.
My mom, but I haven't lived with my mom in 4 years. I don't even
Huh?
speak to her anymore.
Oh, mamanya udah nggak tinggal lagi sama dia guys selama 4 tahun.
They sound like my dad and sometimes my grandma and
What?
my grandpa.
Jadi suaranya beda-beda coy.
Family.
Kayak kakeknya, neneknya, bapaknya.
But you realize that this has to be someone pretending to be your family members, not actually them, right?
I think so.
Bener.
It gets too personal.
So have you ever tried to see where these voices are coming from?
Well, it's at the middle of the night and they sound like they're right outside the door. I can't get up.
Wow, creepy sih, creepy. Tapi bagus emang kamu nggak bukain pintunya coy.
Family?
I don't know anymore.
Alright, Emma, listen. I know you're going through a really tough time right now, but we're gonna help you. I want you to go to sleep normally tonight and act normal. We're gonna set up cameras from your house, and we're gonna watch a live stream of the cameras on our phone.
Betul.
Right outside.
Oke, good Parker.
Voices are coming from.
Okay, thank you.
Good Parker.
Make sure you lock your bedroom door tonight.
Good, yap.
Okay, let's go.
Oke Parker. Good. Tadi si Chester kayak nanya, bisa aja kayaknya suaranya itu ada di kepala lu. Lu nggak nonton videonya ya Chester? Itu kan kedengeran dari videonya. Oke, ditaruh guys kameranya. Oke. Mereka kayaknya nunggunya di mobil lagi nih.
Okay, so
Hujan,
we're waiting
coy.
in the car right now.
Hujan,
Looks like
coy.
Emma's getting ready to go to sleep.
Oke, Emma, kamu lagi ditonton ya Emma. Jangan kamu macam-macam nih Emma. Oke. Ini malah rumahnya kelihatan seperti ada banyak orang ya. Maksudnya terlihat seperti sudah jadi rumah gitu. Tuh kan, sitting roomnya banyak hiasannya gitu. Ya, Chester ketiduran loh, Chester. Wah! Oh my god! Dia tahu kameranya di mana.
Yo, dude, wake up, wake up.
Just switch to another one.
Okay, that's good.
What?
Bro, what the hell was that?
Was it a guy?
Yo, quick, switch the camera in the room.
Turn up the audio, see if you can hear anything.
Dinyanyiin. Itu gak kayak mamanya kan suaranya. Ih, creepy banget coy. Wah!
No, we gotta go stop him. Let's go in. Let's go in.
Wah, suaranya dari lembut sampai kayak gitu. Hah? Dia bisa masuk coy, Hai, selamatkan Emma. Ada mana Emma?
What the hell is that?
It's not Emma.
Where's Emma? Dude, I hear her screaming.
Yo, we gotta go get her.
Wah, itu bukan Emma. Wah, itu Emma. Kok bajunya beda? Emma jadi cowok.
What the hell was that thing?
Bro, I don't know. Let's go. Yo, we gotta get out of here, bro. Let's go home.
Oh my god. Dia jatuh, kameranya jatuh. mereka tetap nggak tahu. Tapi kok dia bisa pakai bajunya Emma jadi tukeran baju gitu, gimana caranya maksudnya? Gue nggak paham di sisi itu. Tapi itu serem, ini serem. Lumayan. Menurut kalian gimana? Apakah ketiga video itu bisa membuat nyeremeter lu bisa sampai 100%? Kalau bisa coba komen. By the way, jangan lupa untuk like video ini ya guys, kalau lu suka sama konten-konten. Siapa tahu bisa bikin gue semakin semangat. Semangat kok. Oke, nyeremeter gue kali ini tidak sampai 100%, tapi sudah sampai 85% gitu ya. Jadi lumayan ini, lumayan guys, lumayan. Main creepy. Oh ya, buat kalian nih yang pengen gue nge-reactionin video-video lainnya, tinggal komen aja guys, cari kasih tahu gue nge-reaction video apa selanjutnya ya. Habis ini nanti gue reactionin. Soalnya masa iya Scary Chester mulu, lu kagak bosen-bosen, tapi tampaknya sih kalian belum pada bosen sih ya Scary Chester ini. Jadi ya udah, nggak apa-apa, kita lanjutkan dulu sembari kita cari yang lain juga videonya ya. Dan buat kalian yang suka sama video ini, kalian jangan lupa untuk like video ini dan juga share ke teman kalian yang kali aja bakal suka video ini. Dan juga nih jangan lupa untuk subscribe. Subscribe dan nyalain notifikasinya supaya kalian dapat info kalau misalnya gue udah upload video baru gitu ya. Ya udah sampai sini aja, gue udah mulai teriak-teriak. Lu tahu gue lagi puasa coy, tapi gue teriak-teriak ini sakit ini. Apa sih namanya nih? Tenggorokan gue. Tapi nggak apa-apa demi kalian. Oke guys, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye.